Hey everybody, it's Mindy. I did it. I did a thing. I did it. Okay. All right. What did I do? I had to buy this. This is my packing slip. I had to try this. Had to try it. Okay. Yeah. It's another one of their freebies. You know, you don't pay for it. You just pay for the shipping. It costs you like $9. Yeah, I had to try this one though. Why? I'll tell you why in a minute. All right, so it's Dreamer Designs, in case you hadn't noticed. Dreamer Designs comes in this cute little purple box, has a little handle, you can tote it around with you. This one you could actually tote, I don't think it's too heavy. Has some instructions, directions, diamond painting, features, all this stuff. Yes, okay, I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. I think the picture's on the other end of the box. Is it? Sure is. Picture's on the other end of the box. All right, so you'll always know what it is from the outside. Okay, now, if you know anything about Dreamer Designs, this is version 2.0. This is their second round of kits. And have a tab. Me and the tabs, always some tab. They came out with their second round with new artists and things like that. Dreamer Designs is known for doing square drills. Like pretty much all they have are square drill canvases, except for a couple. This is one of them. This is a round drill. I've seen a couple people unbag it, look at it, and I didn't get it. I guess I didn't even really realize it was a round drill when they were doing it. So it comes in this like windbreaker type material bag, Dreamer Designs. Here's your toolkit. Here's your canvas. Look at how cute. All wrapped up with a little purple bow. And here's our drills. All right. And they're round, guys. They're round. All right. Now this is soft. This is like velvety kind of soft. Okay. This is the toolkit. I'll show you the toolkit. Now I was not there for the Facebook Live that they had recently because they're on Facebook and everything. They had a live recently and they were playing some games and doing some stuff. Whole bunch of baggies. A couple of different multi-placers. It would be great if they'd switch to the, white ones. Big straightener. 2 squishies. 2 white boats that say Dreamer Designs on the back. Both of them. Okay, 2 purple squishies. 2 little pots of wax that both say Dreamer Designs on them. Pointy tweezers. They also say Dreamer Designs. Woohoo. Look at that. Dreamer Designs. And 2 clear pens. That's your toolkit. Lots of tools. All right. So as I was saying, in this Facebook Live, they were playing some games and doing some things. And they were talking about their new kits coming out. I wasn't there. I didn't hear it for myself. But I have it from a reputable source that I think I heard November new kits are coming out and they have new artwork and they have, I think they said 20 kits that are round drill. I think. Please do not quote me on that, but that's what I think I heard from my friend. Anyhow, here's a big paper. This thing is rolled tighter than tight. Let me tell you what. It is on a foam core, but it is still tight. It's poured glue, so I'm going to roll it backwards so that I can get it off this foam core and loosen it up a little bit because it's tight. Now, don't judge me when you see the picture. You might already know what it is because there aren't a lot of round kits at Dreamer Designs. You might already know. So there's the foam core. We'll get rid of that. Here is all of their social media, ways you can find them here and there, Facebook, Instagram, whatnot. And the back of the sheet is directions. All right, so we got that. Here is our little sticker. This is a sticker, and I'm happy to say, oh my gosh, I think they've made it easier to peel. The first one I got, yeah, that peels so much nicer. Yes, comes right off and peels. This is our sticker sheet. There are 46 colors on this puppy. 46. There's all the Hello. There's all the symbols. See how everything's tight. All the symbols, all the DMC codes, and 46 different colors. All right. There we go. So I'm excited to see what a round is like from Dreamer Designs. And I'm excited to hear that in their new line coming out, they will have more rounds. Yes. Here is the symbolist on the canvas. Their canvas, I don't know, people compare it to other things. I hear people compare it to diamond dots. I don't know. It's different. It's ridgy. You can hear the ridges in it, so it's not super soft. It's unique, all to its own. Scalloped edges, so it won't fray. Yeah, and there's the legend. Lots and lots of symbols. 46, and this is not that big, you guys. This painting is 32 by 28, 12.6 inches by 11 inches, and it's got a key on the other side. There it is. It's called Liberty's Light. Yes, it's a lighthouse. I know, don't judge me. I love lighthouses. But it's a round, really. That's why I really wanted to try it, because it's a round. I want to see what the rounds are like, okay? And, you know, poured glue, very, very sticky. Now I saw somebody unbox one and they were questioning the outer edge. Like if you look right here at the outer edge of the painting, they were wondering if they were missing symbols here, and I don't think that's the case at all. I think they have just left a little border all the way around, you know, in case you want to cut this out or something. You don't want to get too close to your symbols, or if you wanted to have a little border, it's your choice. All right, so let's look at the symbols. These symbols right here look perfectly fine, perfectly clear, easy to read. No trouble with those, right? Let's look up here in the top of the lighthouse. Again, I think everything looks perfectly clear. There is no blurriness. Now there is some debate around amongst different people. Hang on, I'm going to pull this plastic back a little because it wants to. It's a nice thick plastic too. It's not a cheap flimsy plastic. Okay, it's a nice thicker plastic. So. But there's some talk, some discussion, some debate, some theories about why some of their symbols may be blurry. People seem to feel that it's the type of canvas they use, and that sometimes the way they put their symbols on with their ink, it soaks in a lot and sometimes makes a little blurry symbol. But now this one, I would honestly say, looking at this canvas, close up. All right, let's see. How close do you want to be? There is nothing blurry. The 3 green dots maybe kind of blend together a little bit, but I wouldn't call them blurry. I really am hunting, looking close, trying to find something that may be problematic, and I just don't see it. I don't see anything blurry on this one. This one looks very clear. All right. Okay, that's my honest opinion on this one. It's a nice little size. It'll be quick and easy. Like I said, it's just 12.6 inches by 11 inches, a foot by, you know, nice little size, nice little lighthouse. Cute, right? I still can't believe it has 46 colors. That's a lot of colors. Dreamer Designs also usually has some ABs in their kits. So let's look at the drills. It does say Liberty's Light right on the package. Let's see if they have any ABs with this one. That'd be nice. Oh, they do. They're listed at the bottom. You guys are listed at the bottom here. Look. There's going to be 3. AB number 8, AB 17, and AB 36. The O, the up arrow, and the G. All right. Do we see the O, the up arrow, or the G? I don't see them down here in the bottom. Here's the O's around the windows, and the star, and some in the sky. How about the up arrow? G's are here, this red in the lighthouse. There's some G's. And then the up arrow. Up arrow is blue. So these blue up arrows over here, here, up in here, down here. Okay, so we got 3 ABs. Cool. This one's kind of exciting, you guys. There's a ton of drills. None of these packages are going to have a lot, as you can, you know, pretty much determine. So let's do this. Let's do 2 at a time. Blue and yellow. Orange, and that's a tan. It looks kind of mustard on the camera, but it's a tan. See, they don't have a lot in them, so that's how we get so many colors. This one you can hardly see. They're there. They're brown. Cream and kind of a purple. Cream and a butterscotch. Another taupe and a red. An olive green and probably a black. Army green and brown. And that's 1 or 2 strips right there. Hope you don't mind seeing them that way. That kind of worked for me. I don't know. Anyhow, we got so many. All right. Green and brown. Green and yellow. A green and a blue. Kind of a tealy color. And that mint white green thing. Tons and tons of colors. Brown and blue. Brown and rust. Brown and a green. That's a navy blue and a green. And a rust and a brown. All right, that's 2 more strips. Okay, here's our special ones. Now let's get to the special stuff at the end. 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. Here's our white. This is our white AB. In case you don't know, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which is a coating they put on the drills. It makes it iridescent. A very iridescent shimmer and shine. See that shimmer and shine? Look at it. This one's beautiful. Look at that. That's cool. That's like a black AB. So it's going to look blue, green, yellow, depending on how the light hits it. That's really pretty. That's pretty. And then a red AB. Nice. So this is a cute little kit. I like it. It's a nice little kit. Tons and tons of colors. Man, I might just not even kit it up when I do it. Just open up 1 color and do all that color. This is small enough you could do that, right? Then you wouldn't have to kit all these up because there's just a bunch of small packages, you know, not very many in each one. That might be a way to do it. Yeah. So anyhow, that's what you get for this one. I am looking forward to their new release. See what they have coming out. See what they have in rounds. See what's different with the next batch. So yeah, there you have it. There's a little sample Dreamer Designs. I think there's 4. There are 4 kits you can get. You don't pay for the kit, you just pay for the shipping. And like I said, this was about $8.95, I think, to me. And, you know, it came quickly. So, yeah. In stock item. So, there you have it. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribing and commenting on my videos. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't checked out Dreamer Designs, like I said, I literally cannot find anything blurry on this one. I don't see there being any trouble with this one. So that's my honest opinion on this painting. All right. I will talk to you next time. Have a great day. And enjoy it. Just enjoy it. See you next time.